Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bloom blossom in your garden. To begin, ensure your plants receive ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day, which is crucial for vigorous growth and plentiful flowers. Next, focus on your soil. A well-draining, loamy mix with plenty of organic compost provides vital nutrients. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0 for the best nutrient uptake. Proper watering is key. Aim for deep watering once or twice a week, ensuring your garden receives about 1 inch of water. Avoid frequent, shallow watering, which can weaken plants. For nutrients, choose a fertilizer with a higher phosphorus content, such as a 10-30-20 ratio, to boost flowering. Organic options like bone meal or compost tea also provide excellent slow-release nourishment. To truly maximize your blooms, regular pruning is essential. Deadhead faded flowers by removing them just below the bloom or above a healthy leaf set. This redirects the plant's energy from seed production to creating more blossoms, extending your flowering season. Pinching back young plants also encourages a fuller, bushier shape with more flowers. Always remove any dead, diseased, or damaged stems to keep your plants healthy. Finally, protecting your garden from pests and diseases is vital for continuous blooms. Always inspect new plants carefully before adding them to your garden. Consider companion planting with flowers like marigolds or nasturtiums, which can naturally repel many common garden pests. Ensure good air circulation around your plants to help prevent fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and black spot, treating any issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.